so that was sort of the idea for Heer To Badi Sad Hai. I think we should see the song, and then we can talk about it.
Yeah.
And since you've sung in the song, I think you should sing for us now.
Where I have sung in the song?
You've done that? Yeah, that
अच्छा,
one.
that. हीर तो बड़ी सैड है जी, आजकल वेरी मैड है जी, न खाती पीती. My singing prowess has improved though.
It has, it has.
न खाती पीती, रोना धोना मुश्किल है. Rahman sir will curse me if he ever hears me singing this song. See, but that's the thing.
But we are proud of you. Keep singing.
Thank you, Deepika. Nee, that's it. I can't sing more. But also, we must talk about Irshad Bhai's lyrics in this song, because the way he has used such crazy words as "loo mein jana mushkil hai," because she's so sad. It's only a crazy poet like him, with such a acute cinematic mind can think something like this. Don't you think?
Yeah, I mean, for me, when Imtiaz told me that we were shooting a sad song, I was damn excited because I thought it'll be like my type of sad song, or the typical sad song, which is a sad song. Until I heard it, and then I had to understand the lyrics, and it was
Did you
actually
shoot to this song?
yeah, we did, and it was
shot to
actually
this song.
quite tough because you're emoting sadness, but it's actually quite a like, it has that, it has that ding ding, and you can't stop yourself from like moving. So I had to, like, couple of times I had to stop myself from doing that. He was like, listen, you're like meant to be in a zone and like feeling sad, and so it has that vibe. But I think it's very, very new sounding. It's something that I haven't heard before. Do you all have any thoughts on Heer To Badi Sad Hai? Anyone? As a Punjabi dance, that's what I'm saying. So it was really tough because, you're shooting to that, and Imtiaz, like, he plays the song, so you get into the mood. But it's not one of those songs that I could bounce off as an actor and feel sad because it was a sad song. It's just something that was completely contrast to what we were feeling. Anything that you want to share when you were shooting your bits?
I shot much later. Mine is actually not in the film, but you shot all this in Calcutta, right?
Yeah. We
So
shot
I
all this
wasn't
in
there for it.
Calcutta. I remember shooting at Fleury's. And Fleury's, right? Yeah, Fleury's. Shot in Fleury's. And they very sweetly, like, we were shooting at night, so they very sweetly kept the whole bakery open for us. And between shots, like, we would keep eating. And it was good fun. Yeah. Anything else you all want to share with me about Heer? Okay. Should we now talk about... Yeah. I think we should do the step.
Right now?
Maybe play it first. And then, can you see me?
I can sometimes see you, I can sometimes see them, sometimes I can just see myself. So I don't know who I'm looking at actually. Now I can see you. Now I can see you.
Okay. So let's watch Matar Gashti. It was the
Tum pehle-
first, it was the first. Remember, it was the first song that we...
To frame.
Yourself, you mean?
No, no.
You're
Before
talking to
I was there,
yourself.
that's why I was so serious about before I could only see myself. Now I can see you.
Huh. Hi.
Hi.
Huh. So, yeah, Matar Gashti was the
Matar
first
Gashti.
song. What?
First song recorded.
Yeah, first
and
song
I
we
think the word Matar Gashti is such an interesting word, which is, I don't know the right meaning. I think avaragiri karna, just to kind of let loose and, let time pass by. When two friends meet or two lovers meet or a group of friends, and when you travel, all you want to do is just, like Rahman sir always keeps breaking the form of songs all the time. This song is not divided into first antara, second antara, chorus. It starts somewhere and it goes somewhere else. Sunday goes into this old style, Devanand and all of that. Very
Did he do
interestingly
that
choreographed.
really well? By the way, I thought you did that Devanand stuff really well. I was really jealous of you at that point, I have to admit.
Thank you. But yeah, I also learned to speak like Devanand and act like Devanand, I hired a mimic artist who was really good. God bless his soul. He's still alive, but still. But yeah, it was a fun song. It was like I said, for an actor to show this graph where he's having fun and roaming the streets of Corsica and singing and dancing and saying all these cool things and then suddenly get into Devanand's zone was really fun for me to do. It was very hot, so that was also a little frustrating. But also, Imtiaz wanted this Hakuna Matata feel between you and me, where both of us are just letting loose. We've just made a pact that now we are on a holiday, and now you're not going to tell me who you are, I'm not going to tell you who I am. And we're just going to be these different people, lose ourselves, and just have a great time. And I think that's what the song really shows.
It did. I remember when we were shooting the song, we were shooting in like this square in Corsica where a lot of tourists come. And initially they were just coming and going because they were like, some Bollywood shooting is happening, and they were just coming and going. And then by the third day when we were shooting there, these people who didn't know who we were, they couldn't understand the language, had started singing the song along with us. I wish we had the making to show everyone. But they had started singing with us. And on the third day when we wrapped the song and we were all leaving, we all had to drive and go to the next location. And when we were celebrating the wrap of that location and we were just playing the song and we were like celebrating, these people started crying. They started crying. They were like, they couldn't understand the song. They couldn't understand the language. But over 3 days, I think that's the power of music. I think it just sort of brings people together. They couldn't understand what we were doing. They had picked up the signature step that Ranbir and me were doing. And I remember he picked me up and we were like dancing on the wall. I'm sure you'll have seen the making. And all these people, random people, were just like cheering for us. And
I went two little girls in the balcony opposite. Also
they're
dancing.
in the film, by the way.
Yeah.
You'll
In the
see
film?
random shots of people standing on balconies and like cheering and like singing the song and swaying. It was not planned. The camera just happened to capture them while we were shooting, and then we've sort of incorporated that in the movie. I think we should play the song, and then I'm going to get some people to come up and dance with me. वो तो गया. Huh? Is that Karan? Hi.
The camera's here.
I'm not. So beautiful in the film and the promos, and I'm obsessing about the love song. Totally. And I don't think any heroine can cry like Deepika Padukone does. All right, should I go and say,
No.
Tamasha, releasing on the 28th of November?
No,
and the
27th of November.
Sorry, 27th.
I think, Karan, you have to host this thing now and ask Ranbir and me a few questions.
Well, that's what I do for a living. Directing is just a hobby. Actually, hosting
Yeah, we
is
know.
what
I'll send your
my
bill
core
to UTV.
profession is. Is Siddharth Roy Kapoor there? Because he'll have to pay me for this.
Yeah, he's here.
He is?
Yeah,
Where is he?
he's around.
He's around. Or
He's
you'll have
here,
to pay.
look who's here.
I've arrived on demand. Sid, where do I send my check?
So he's giving you your check. Now you have to,
Sitting on stage, that's why.
you've never invited us together, Karan.
There was enough confusion with you just talking about him, Deepika. Calling you with him, I don't know what would have happened.
Imagine.
Or should we put Sid on the hot seat?
I think we must. You want to ask him the number of screens like they always do.
So Sid, come on, tell us. What do you think Tamasha is going to do at the box office? It's going to be a blockbuster or a very big blockbuster?
What do you think, Karan? You tell us.
Listen, it's got the hottest pair in the bloody industry. Of course, it's going to be a huge blockbuster. Is your Jawani Diwani or is your Bajirao Mastani?
Right now, my Jawani is fully Diwani. Yeah.
अच्छा अच्छा घर
And
जाके
my-
मार तो नहीं मिलेगी ना?
My A dil is hai mushkil.
Your dil can never be mushkil. It seems to be in the right place these days. Any other tandavs you've been doing recently with Sanjay Bansali, or are they over?
Only Tamasha, only Tamasha.
Only Tamasha. Listen, all you guys, I'm going to run now. I have a film to make, but Tamasha looks absolutely amazing. I can't wait to see it on the. Sid, you have to send me the film. I'll be in London. You'll have to send it to me to see. Huh? I want to see it before everybody else does.
You have to buy a ticket, Karan, just like everyone else.
Oh, don't get all Beauty and the Beast on me. All right, I'll buy not one. I will make sure the entire unit watches it because I can't wait to watch Imtiaz Ali's movie. I'm not watching it for Ranbir and Deepika. I'm only watching it for Imtiaz Ali.
We love you.
All right, big hug, big kiss. Bye, Deepika. See you
Thank
back.
you.
That's
Bye.
it.
Bye.
Thanks, Karan.
Huh.
That was quite an impactful cameo.
Like always.
I said,
Hello. When are you joining us, Ranbir?
I'm done in 2 days and I'm with you from the 5th.
But I like this virtual thing. Yeah?
know, now-
It's
I
like,
don't like it. I don't like it
Before
at
this
all.
becomes a marketing strategy meeting.
So where were we, Deepika? तो कहाँ थे
Which
हम?
flight? The media is asking which flight are you on?
मैं शिप से आ रहा हूँ.